Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking accurate focus on the critical point, usually the nearest eye or a high contrast area. Place your single AF point over that spot, press the shutter halfway to acquire focus, and hold that confirmation. This prevents refocus when you move. Make sure exposure and focus mode are set. Use a faster shutter if the subject moves. Once done, keep the finger pressure steady so the focus stays locked while you reposition the camera for framing. Once focus is locked, you recompose by rotating your entire body smoothly. Pivot at the hips and move the camera with controlled motion so the focusing confirmation remains steady. Make sure to maintain the same subject distance. Do not wiggle forward or back, or you'll change plane of focus. While composing, watch background elements and bokeh so nothing intrudes on the subject. If you need to shift vertically, do it gently and recheck the focus point before final release. Finally, complete the process by smoothly pressing the shutter all the way down in one motion while keeping the same alignment. This freezes the locked focus into the frame. If you notice focus hunting or misses, make adjustments. Enable back button AF to separate focus control from shutter, or use continuous AF for active subjects. Make sure to review shots at 100% on the LCD, and if critical focus is off, recompose and reshoot, because small errors are often fixable immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.